Hey YouTube, here's my next project to get running. This is a 53L tractor I picked up this past summer from my uncle. Get a shot of that. So that's stuck with the sun, but here's L85962. So it's a 5-horse. All the normal stuff. It's got a spin on, usual stuff. Nothing, crazy. It looks like it's got a Bendix maybe. I gotta clean it up and take a look. But yeah, this is my next project to get running, just so I can have another running tractor. But well, let me set the camera down and get this on the lift. Alright, so we got it up on the lift. So let's take a few things to look at. I don't have a muffler here, but that's okay. I think I've had some spares. I don't remember if my uncle said he worked on this engine at all, but I'll be taking the cylinder off like I normally do, which is take it off underneath, flip it upside down, and then run you know, either PB Blast or something in these bolts from underneath. That's the plan. So this is the start of the 53L.